All right, so I picked up a few of these mouse traps, and these are quite a bit bigger than other ones that I've used that are similar to these. So I like the size of these. You might be able to catch some, even almost a big rat, honestly, with this thing. It's quite large. So yeah, I've seen these a lot smaller than this, but the mechanism is the same. Has a door that opens like this. And actually, when the mouse goes in, before the mouse goes in, it's up like that. And there's a mechanism there that once they push that down, the door snaps down and they get stuck in. They can't open that from the inside. So there's a way here on this other side to open it so that you can put some food in. Once again, you can't open it from the inside, but it says pull back and slide up. So you're gonna pull this thing back and slide it up to open that up. That way you can throw some bait in here. I'm going to use some peanut butter. Peanut butter seems to do well with catching mice because it smells good. It takes them some time to lick it, and they kind of get caught in there. That's probably enough, I would think, but you can always use more if you want. You're just going to put it in that little container there, like that. That should be enough, I would think. You can always throw another kind of bait in there too if you want. But yeah, then just close it up. And once again, this won't, once you close it, this doesn't open from the inside. It's kind of locked down unless you push this forward and push it up. So this one's baited, and then you just open the door like that. And then when they step on that little thing down there, it's going to close the door. So yeah, I'm going to bait these traps, put them around. This is a Humane mouse trap, so you can keep your mouse alive and then catch and release somewhere. So yeah, looking forward to using these. Should be good in this winter season. Hope that helps.